Welcome to the UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So first, let's open the notification panel shortcuts, and after that you should find here this sound icon. Just click twice here on this icon, and now we can see that our phone is muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, you should click here only once again on the sound icon, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just we should first press up or down volume button, and then just click here twice on this bell icon. Now we can see that the calls and notifications, they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated successfully. And just to turn it off, you should click here once again on this icon, and our calls and notifications, they will ring. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.